I'll be talking about what fellow writer Nick calls the sexiest phone of 2020. I'll also be talking about the Poco M3 and how much longer we need to wait until we get 5G. All right, ready? Let's go. It seems that Malaysia will have to wait a little while longer to get 5G. In fact, we have to wait about 2 to 3 years. Minister of Communications and Multimedia, Datuk Saifuddin Abdullah, has told Parliament that 5G deployment in Malaysia will take place towards the end of 2020 or early 2023. The delay of 5G in Malaysia could impact local industries and new developments like smart traffic lights, medical tourism, smart agriculture. The list goes on, and would fall behind other Southeast Asian countries like Thailand and Singapore. Poco is set to introduce the latest smartphone of theirs, the Poco M3. It's going to be the first global M-series phone from the Xiaomi-backed smartphone brand, and it is expected to be under 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so here's what we know so far about the Poco M3. It will definitely feature a 6.53-inch display, and it appears to come with a tiny notch at the top. As a comparison, the Poco X3 NFC and the Redmi Note 9S or Pro series all come with a larger 6.67-inch display. According to a 6-second teaser, the device will also come with a faux leather back. Under the hood, the earlier speculated Snapdragon 662 processor for the device appears to be confirmed by Poco, and it won't be as powerful as the one in the Poco X3 NFC. Depending on the specs, Alex reckons that the Poco M3 could be less than 800 ringgit. But details are expected to be revealed during the launch happening on Tuesday, 24th of November. Yoodo's 20 gigs for 20 ringgit promo will end on the 30th of November 2020. But they have introduced a new replacement promo which offers double the data from 1st December onwards. The double special data promo will let you get twice the quota if you customize a plan with at least 5 gigs of data. This means you'll receive 10 gigs of data for 25 ringgit. If you need more, there's 20 gigs of data that will cost you 35 ringgit. You can also max it out with 200 gigs for 98 ringgit. If you don't need that much data, you can change your plan before your next billing cycle. The double special promo is offered until further notice, and you can learn more on Yoodo's promo page, which I'll link below. Now this is what Nick calls the sexiest phone of 2020. You can get it for yourself in Malaysia. Mobile To Go has just announced that the OnePlus 8T Special Edition Cyberpunk 2077 is now up for sale in the country. But keep in mind that this is an import set. Warranty coverage will be handled by Mobile To Go rather than OnePlus's official distributors or channels. The price is a whopping 3,888 ringgit. For some context, the standard OnePlus 8T has a range-topping variant with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage going for 2,999 ringgit. And that's almost 1,000 ringgit less. The Cyberpunk edition of the OnePlus 8T appears to be almost identical, but the version looks a whole lot more unique. You'll also get a special case and some themed accessories, which all come in a unique box that matches the Cyberpunk aesthetic. So what do you think? Would you get it? Do you agree with Nick? Let me know in the comments. All right, thanks for joining me today. Ray will be back soon, don't worry. In the meantime, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and also let me know in the comments of what you'd like to see next. All right, that's it for me. Bye-bye.